In the city of Bengaluru lies a peaceful place surrounded by nature and greenery. This place is the Gandhi Bhavan campus, housing many constructive organizations, one of which is Vallabh Niketan, one of the 6 ashrams of Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Vallabh Niketan is an ashram for the aged and orphan children run by the Vishwanidam Trust, which was constituted in 1963 by late Vallabh Swami and late Madevi Tai, an Indian freedom activist. Vallabh Niketan was started in 1965. The main aims of setting up the ashram were to create a peaceful environment, unopposed service work to happen with a spiritual point of view, and to create a peaceful devotion and affection in the ashram. With these aims, Vallabh Niketan Ashram was set up. In 1964, a Bhumi Puja was done, and after a few days, the construction of the ashram was started. After the construction got completed, the ashram was inaugurated on 8th December 1965 by late President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Later in 1967, Children's Home was also started at Vallabh Niketan. In Vallabh Niketan, there are children from the age group of 10 to 18 years. This ashram takes children who have single parent with a low financial status and who are not able to take care of their children well. The caretakers of the ashram also see whether the child studies and has interest towards education. These children get to live a peaceful life with love, care, affection, and friendship. In the ashram, children get to study their school portions, college portions easily with the peaceful environment and no one to disturb around. These children help each other in homeworks, project works, and during exams. Apart from their studies, during their free time, these children make drawings, sketches, paintings, and also play games. The ashram welcomes many volunteers from every place to interact and spend time with children. These volunteers guide the children, make them do activities, and enhance their skills. The children are equally participative and also have fun. In Vallabh Niketan, the children are taught good habitual skills like praying, eating together, and sharing things which are donated in the ashram. They also wash their plates by themselves. Even the aged people are not far behind. They also have equal amount of fun. Here in the ashram, they get to live their life peacefully. This ashram started their old age home in 1979. आप यहाँ पर कितने साल से मैनेजर का काम कर रहे हैं? 20 साल हो चुके हैं।
हम लोगों के एक बच्चा आता है, यहाँ से पढ़ के बाहर जाता है। हम लोग जहाँ बच्चों को एडमिशन करते हैं तो हम इसी ख्याल से करते हैं कि यहाँ बच्चा आएगा तो 100% बनेगा। बुजुर्ग लोग अपना काम अपना खुद करना चाहिए।
ऐसे कुछ बुजुर्ग हैं जो अभी भी अपना काम खुद करते हैं?
एकदम सभी करते हैं ना, एक नहीं है सभी।
उन लोग के बच्चे भी इधर छोड़ के गए क्या ऐसे?
ऐसा नहीं चाहता कि कोई बाप कोई बाहर नहीं जाना, कोई नहीं चाहता, लेकिन वो एडजस्टमेंट वो भी चाहते हैं कि मेरा बाप मेरे घर से ज़्यादा खुश रहे, इसलिए यहाँ छोड़ के जाते हैं। लेकिन उनके जो बूढ़े जो आते हैं उनका कहना है कि मैं जगह बाहर आएगा मेरे बहू और बेटे खुश रहेंगे ना, बस यही मुझे चाहिए।
ऐसे आप लोग आपने कितने लोगों को देखा?
बच्चों के बारे में करेंगे,
बूढ़ों के बारे में
40-50 लोग।
In the ashram, the aged people have poetry sessions together, Ramayana session, and also engage in activities like drawings and paintings. Many aged people have found a new family with their fellow companions and orphan children. In Vallabh Niketan, there is no generation gap between the children and the aged people. Everyone lives like a family and are happy to be part of each other's life. Throughout the years, many well-known dignitaries have visited Vallabh Niketan. A few of them were late Vice President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed and late Chief Minister Devraj Aras, late Vice President Dr. B.D. Jetty and Badri Prasad. late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri's wife, Srimati Lalita Shastri, with her son Shri Anil Shastri, and Dr. Nagesh Hatwar, Satya Sai Baba, and many more. In December 2011, Team Anna's Anna Hazare and Kiran Bedi visited the ashram and interacted with the people of ashram and volunteers of India against corruption on the issues of Jan Lokpal, Gram Sabhas, and decentralization. They wanted to create awareness among the people in the ashram. In 2012, Arvind Kejriwal with Gautam Bhai, E.P. Menon, and Anil Pandit of Team Anna visited the ashram. Former Lokayukta, Team Anna's Santosh Hegde also visited the ashram. These dignitaries visited the ashram to spread awareness, knowledge, and educate the people of the ashram. Vallabh Niketan thinks beyond its capacity and gives everyone celebration memories and joy of happiness by organizing events like the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Independence Day, children's birthday celebrations, having Diwali celebrations, and many more festivals. They do not have any religious barriers. Vallabh Niketan works for serving the people by doing social service. It became a relief center for the people who were affected in tsunami and helped many people. In 2014, the ashram became a collection center for Jammu and Kashmir flood relief. Many volunteers came up, donated, and helped a lot of people who were affected by the flood. Vallabh Niketan, with the help of Vishwanidam Trust, has always been a home for the people in need and to spread joy and happiness.